How's it going, everybody? This is going to be a video series. This is video number 1, going over the top 8 chart patterns, how to draw them, how to see them, how to act on them. So first up, we're going to be talking about Google here. We have a bull flag. This is the first charting pattern we're going to be talking about. For a bull flag, you want to look for obviously this right here. It's basically a flag, right? So you run up, and then you kind of come sideways like this and you have a flag, right? So you want to look at that, look for that in the candlesticks. Now, it's not going to be easy in the beginning to find these chart patterns and to really identify them, but over weeks, months, years, you're going to become very, very proficient at spotting it out immediately as soon as you look at a chart. So I have a blank chart up here and I want to show you. I'll leave that drawn. So if you look at this wick right here on March 4th, 2024, you basically, and you could do this magnet tool right here too. And with the magnet tool, it'll just lock into the highs and lows of each candle. So if we do this, we can lock into the low here and drag this to this high, right? And then we can grab another trend line. So the trend line is going to be second down. Right here, it's the first one. You can highlight it and add it to your toolbar like I did. So you grab the second trend line. You go from the top, the very top of this flag, and you are going to draw it down here, right? So you have the top of the flag. Now, don't mind this right now. Okay, don't mind that right now. Just ignore that right now. We'll get into that in a minute. Now we are going to look for the bottom of our flagpole. Well, we had this pullback right here, and with a pullback, it's considered creating support. So we had this pullback, so we'll go to the bottom of this, and where are we going to go? We're not going to go here. We're going to go to this bottom wick. And what does that look like? If I close this right here, what does that look like? Do they look similar? How's my drawing? Is it good? Awesome. So now you see how to draw it. Now, what does it mean? So a bull flag is or also known as a bullish flag pattern. Let's really break it down. Let's just not call it, acronyms and slimming it down. A bullish flag pattern is a bullish movement to the upside. A bullish, obviously in the name, flag pattern means that a breakout to the upside, as we see right here, when you get this breakout, it is very bullish and you are going to continue higher. Now, you understand how to identify it, and you can see it on this chart here. And if you want this little draw up that I did, just DM me or drop a comment and I'll send it to you absolutely free. So we have a high, we come down and test the bottom. We have a lower high, and then we test the bottom again. We have this top hit, we pull back, and then we break through. So it's not always going to look perfectly like it does on here, obviously, like hitting 1, 2, 3, and then on the fourth try going up. It's not always going to look like that. And I go on the weekly chart because the weekly chart, to me, the higher the time frame, the better the more confident I am in what's going to playing out. So you want at least 2 hits, but if you can get 3 hits on each of these lines, that's what you want. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3. So you want a minimum, and almost 4 right there. You want a minimum of 2, but really 3 lines hitting. And what I mean by hitting, it just means this: you hit that bottom of the flag, you hit the top of the flag, you hit the bottom of the flag, you hit the bottom of the flag, you hit the top of the flag, and then you hit the top of the flag, and then you pull back, and then you go through. So you're really looking for minimum 2 on the weekly. And I'd say if you're looking at the daily, you need minimum 3 touches in here for it to be a legitimate bull flag. Okay. On the weekly, you can get away with 2, just depending if they're close, right? You can get away with 2. But if you get 3, you got a real deal set up there with the bull flag. So with the bull flag, historically, it has a 67% success rate when we break out. Now, what that means is when we break out of the bull flag to the upside, 60, 70, 67% of the time, you are going to continue higher. And if you're trading it, investing in it, you're going to make more money. But obviously, the other percentage of the time, you will pull back and it's a fake breakout. Okay. So another thing I like to look for is when we have a breakout, I like to look for a pullback to retest the area that we broke out of. I always say 80 to 90% of breakouts, no matter what charting pattern we're talking about, 80 to 90% of breakouts will pull back at some point, usually right after the breakout. They'll retest and then they'll head higher. Now, I go more in depth into more trading ideas and everything like that on my other videos on here, but we're just going to keep this simple. Like I said, with the bull flag, we have our bull flag, 67% success rate when we break through. 80 to 90% of the time, we will pull back and retest. And if we pull up the daily here, look what happened. So sometimes you have to go down to the daily to understand it, right? So we still have our bull flag, but we broke out here and then we retested right there. And what a retest means is you basically come back to the scene of the crime. So you break out and then you're coming back down to retest that area. So if you know anything about support and resistance, when you have support, you'll keep on bouncing off the support. When you break through that support, you will usually come back up to retest the once support now turned resistance, because now it is resisting you, it is pushing you away, compared to where the support is bouncing and supporting you. Support, resistance, right? So just like with the support and resistance lines, and you have that, the same thing applies for any charting pattern. The charting pattern, you will have once resistance where you can't break through. You will break through, come back to retest once resistance now turned support. I hope this really helped you guys in understanding a bull flag, how to draw it, how to understand it. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one for the next charting pattern. Have a great one.